What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. In this video we'll take a first look at Android 12 Beta 2 port for OnePlus 8 series. So as you can see here, I have my OnePlus 8 and on this I'm running the latest build of Android 12 which is Beta 2. And huge thanks to Jay for porting this build for OnePlus 8 series. If you guys are not aware about Jay, he's one of the awesome developer who's given lots of port for OnePlus devices. I'll give his Telegram group link in the description below. Make sure to join that. So here we have our OnePlus 8. Let me show you the software information first. And as you can see here, Android version is Android S. And this particular port is of Android 12 Beta 2, which had the security patch of 5th June 2021. It's too difficult to flash normal GSIs on OnePlus devices, but Jay has given an easy solution for that. If you guys want to install Android 12 on your OnePlus 8 series, make sure to check the installation guide at the end of this video. And guys, you let me know in the comment section below, what are your expectations if you want to try out a new OS? For me, just to have the taste of new OS, basic requirement will be calling should work fine, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and other necessary sensors. And on this particular build, most of the basic things are working fine. And you can easily give it a try. Also, it can be used as daily driver to have the taste of Android 12, because currently we even don't have stable build from Google of Android 12. So don't expect everything to be working fine on ported builds. Yesterday camera was completely broken on OnePlus 8, but soon after that we got a fix and now you can use Google Camera on your OnePlus 8 running Android 12 Beta 2. And I'll leave the Google Camera APK in the description below, just install it manually. And here you can see I have the Google Camera and that works fine on my OnePlus 8. Including front and back camera. So basic stuff like calling works fine, and don't expect alert slider to be working on this build. But still you'll have option to switch between the ringing modes using your volume panel. I also flashed GSI on my OnePlus 7 series, that was Beta 1, and on that Bluetooth wasn't working. But on this build, I don't face any kind of issues with the Bluetooth. I personally tested that with my Samsung Buds Plus. And now let's talk about some of the features of Android 12. So towards the left hand side, here I have my Pixel 4a on which I am running the official build of Android 12 Beta 2. Towards the right hand side, here we have OnePlus 8 on which we are using the ported Android 12 by Jay. So this is the new UI and quick setting panel of Android 12 Beta 2. On Beta 1, this wasn't enabled by default, but on Beta 2, you get to see this new UI as soon as you flash Beta 2 on your device. This is the new notification panel, which is completely different from the quick setting panel or the Android 11. Here we get a complete different section for notification. And I'm personally not a fan of this. I feel notification panel should have been transparent. Here you can see a thick bar of brightness slider on the top of quick setting panel. And if you talk about the volume panel, which was more thicker on Beta 1, but now it's been bit sleek on Beta 2, as you can see here. And we get to see a nice pop-up change between the ringtone modes. This is the always on display on Beta 2, and we get a nice animation when we turn on the screen, and the same animation can be seen when we turn off the screen. And here you can see the animation. So I'm not gonna cover all the features which comes on Android 12. There are lots of videos available on YouTube. Though I'll be getting a review video of Android 12 Beta 2 after testing few more days on my Pixel 4a. And here if you take a look at the status bar, on Beta 2 we don't get to see mobile network signal. But when you slide it down, you'll be able to see that. I'm not sure this is how it meant to be on Android 12. And guys, as it's not a final build, so we might get to see more changes in that. All the basic sensors have been working fine, like accelerometer, light, proximity, magnetometer, compass and gyroscope. There are lots of UI and other changes done to Android 12. And one of the major changes is related to privacy. Privacy dashboard wasn't available on Beta 1, but here on Beta 2 they have added the privacy dashboard, where you can completely check the usage of sensors and other hardwares on your device. Like tapping on location, it will show you all the applications which have been using your location service along with the time. And if you want to disable such things, you can tap on manage permissions and disable it. And the same goes for other hardwares like camera. And on the top, you will get an overview about the usage of other sensors or hardwares of past 24 hours. So guys, right now I can recommend you guys to try it out because Beta 1 wasn't that stable to be used as daily driver, and the installation process was quite difficult. That's why I did not make an installation guide of Beta 1. But here you can use Beta 2 as a daily driver. You just have to compromise on few things. And one of them is alert slider. You can't use OnePlus alert slider on Android 12 ports until you get it officially from OnePlus. After that, you also have to compromise on fingerprint scanner, but still you can use other stuff like pattern or pin. And one of the major addition to Android 12 is Material UI design. Depending on your wallpaper, accent color will be changed. So right now on OnePlus 8 you can see the color of quick setting panel. So let's change the wallpaper and see now. We'll try out solid color wallpaper. Let's select this green color. And there you can see the color of quick setting panel has also been changed. So that's a quite nice addition to Android 12. On Android 12, we also get to see this new power menu. If you guys want to install Android 12 on OnePlus 8 series, you guys can give it a try. But don't expect it to be fully functional. And once again, huge thanks to Jay for this awesome port. Now let's talk about the installation of Android 12 Beta 2 on OnePlus 8. For this, make sure your device bootloader is unlocked and you have taken the entire backup of your device. And the same installation method can be used to flash Android 12 port on your other OnePlus 8 devices. To install Android 12 on your OnePlus 8 series, as said, make sure your device bootloader is unlocked. So here you can see on my device, it says device bootloader is unlocked, and after that you need few files. So these are the files. Basically, we need 2 files to flash it on OnePlus 8. We need this additional support package which consists of vendor, and this vendor has to be copied to the main port of Android 12, and that's only for OnePlus 8 users. If you are an OnePlus 8 Pro or 8T user, you can directly use this version 3 port. So these are in the format of zip. You just need to extract the file. So here you can see this is the version 3. Once you extract it, you'll have these many files available inside this folder. If you are an OnePlus 8 Pro and 8T user, you just need to run this file. But if you are a user of OnePlus 8, then you need to extract this support package, right click extract, and you should see a vendor file in that folder. Just copy that file and place it in the main folder of this port. Right click paste. It will ask you to replace the file. Tap replace. And once that is done, you just need to start the flashing process. Double click on this and the process will automatically start. It might take around 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure to boot your device in fast boot mode and connect it to PC. Once the process is completed, it will automatically boot into system. And there we go. Android 12 Beta 2 have been successfully flashed. Now our device will boot into system. We have the boot animation, and boot up will hardly take 3 to 4 seconds. And there we go, our device have been successfully booted up with Android 12 Beta 2. Now you can complete the initial setup and ignore this message. So guys, this way you can install Android 12 Beta 2 on your OnePlus 8 series. If you still have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below, or else you can join Telegram group of Jay. Once again, huge thanks to him for porting Android 12 Beta 2 for OnePlus 8 series. So guys, as of now only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.